Boys and girls, I know this really don't have nothing to do with high voltage, but thought I'd share it with you anyways. Just thought I'd show you my beast.
It's his other passion, to shoot people.
Absolutely. My BMG 50 cal M99 bolt action. It is by far the biggest and most badass spring rifle I know of.
But we think he's trying to compensate for something.
Hey man, I can back it up. Figured I'd come over here and share my shotgun, M500. You know, as you can tell, I'm all down with the real tree. Then come over here and show you this. This is my L96A1. Yet again, real tree. And then over here we have my 357 Magnum. Yet again, real tree. This is gas. The bolt action rifles are spring. Here's a scope for my L96. Hey, Sean, let me see my pistol real quick. Please and thank you.
Yeah, right? This says if it's...
That is my M9 PTP. It's modded to be full auto. I'm letting my buddy use it right now. This is my airsoft buddy Sean, his daughter Haley, our other buddy Chris, which you saw just a second ago, Billy, big and mean, Chris the old lady, say hi, and then Brandon, and then over here you got Aaron. This is my partner in crime when it comes to high voltage. He'll be posting videos on YouTube soon. Look it up. Well, boys and girls, this is just a look into my world out of the lab and on the field. Peace.